The next thing we want to do is insert our next planet. Now, as you hopefully will know, Mercury is our next planet. So we want to upload a new sprite. So we're going to do that same process. Okay, so we want to go to costumes and remove this background. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. Go to our magic wand. Go around the outside of Mercury. Not the best job, but hopefully it still works nicely. And there we go. It's got rid of our background. Click on scripts and that will save it. Okay, so the programming of each planet I'm going to break down into 4 different sections. The first one is the size. So that's our first when clicked. So let's do that first. So again, we want to go to control and to our forever function. Okay, and then we want to go to our looks and bring over our set size function. And I'm going to set it to 4%. Press the green flag, and there he is there. He's been shrunk down. That little Mercury just there. You can obviously make it slightly bigger if you like. Okay, the next thing we need to do is get another when clicked. Okay, I'm going to stop my functions from happening. Okay, and now we need to go to a starting point. Now each planet will start at different points on our screen here. Okay, so I've prepared this earlier. Okay, so we're going to go to X is going to be 35 and Y is going to be -7. Okay, so that's where it's going to go. Now, to make this move around in a nice circle around the sun, we need to get it pointing in the right direction. And this does take a lot of time. If you want to do it from scratch, feel free. If you don't want to use my pointers here, it can be quite challenging and time consuming, but I certainly enjoy the challenge. We're going to point it in the direction 6 degrees. Right, so that's the second thing we need to do with each planet. The third thing, get another flag when clicked, block, is how far we want it to move. Okay, so it keeps rotating around each time. So we want this obviously happening the whole time. So we want our forever function. Then what we want to do is we want it to move 8 steps. Okay, so 8 steps. A step is basically 1 pixel on the screen. Okay, so it's going to move 8 pixels on the screen, 8 steps. Then after the 8 steps, it is then going to turn. Okay, it's going to turn 12 degrees. After it turns 12 degrees, then we want it to just wait a very short period of time because Mercury moves quite quickly around the sun. We only want it to wait at 0.02 of a second. Okay, so when I press the flag button, right, you'll see it move 8 steps, turn, and then wait, move, turn, wait, and then it will move all the way around in a nice circle around the sun. Here we go. Lovely. Now, there's one more thing that we want to do with each of our planets, and that is to make it draw a line of orbit around the sun. So what you want to then do is insert pen down, set pen size to 2, set pen color to green. Press the green flag, and there you go. You will now need to repeat this numerous times for all the other planets.